Assalamu alaikum. I have an ASUS ROG laptop with corrupted BIOS. The issue of the device is turning on with a black screen. This 32 megabyte file is the old BIOS. Here is the BIOS chip and you will have to use an SPI programmer to get the bin file from it. I have to rebuild this BIOS file in order to fix the laptop, so let's see what we have to do. From the first look I can tell this BIOS belongs to a device with an Intel CPU because of this hex value. It refers to the descriptor region, so if you see this hex value in the second line of any BIOS file, you know this is Intel platform. The full length of the file is 2 million because the file size is 32 megabyte and the footer looks fine. I will search for the serial number, the device serial number, to be sure the file is original. I can see the serial is mentioned more than one time, so most likely this file is the original BIOS. I will copy the serial and search for it on ASUS website to download the BIOS file. Choose serial number, type your serial number here and click search icon. Yes, this one, driver and utility. Here is what we are looking for, the same model number. Choose BIOS and firmware. You have to choose among these 6 BIOSes which one is ours. Each one of these files belongs to a different device, so I have to figure out which one is mine. I will search for this keyword in my BIOS here. Yes, this one, near to this date. My original file should be like this. So I will choose GU603VI. I always like to stick with the same BIOS version. My BIOS version is 330. I will choose 330 and download it from here. Here is the file, extract it. This one. As you can see, it is encrypted with AMI BIOS guard. I can't use it like this. I will use this tool, AMI BIOS guard extractor, to decrypt this file. Just copy the path of the file, paste it here and enter. It is done. This should be the file, data all. As you can see, the length or the size of two files is not identical. This one is larger than my file, but anyway, I will just take the BIOS region from this one and leave the extra data. I will search for the footer of my file here, F3. It is mentioned twice. This one should be the footer of the BIOS region. I have to delete all of this. Now the BIOS region is 1 million and my file is 2 million, so the beginning should be here in offset 1 million. Also, if I copy the first lines of the new BIOS region and search for it here, it is the same offset. Now I have to copy all of this and paste it here. Choose paste right, then save the file. I will name it new.bin. Now if I search for the serial number, I will not find it here. so I have to copy it from the old file. Here is the serial number, but it is not here because we already replaced the BIOS region. I will open my old file with UEFI tool to extract the block of the DMI. Clear all of this. I will search for the hex value of my serial. Here there is 5 results. These 2 results from NVRAM. I don't have to take NVRAM anyway. And these 3 in this file, but I will extract the volume, because if I just extract the file, I will lose some data from here. Before extracting this volume, I have to find the OEM Windows key first. I will go to the old file and search for this hex value. Here is the OEM Windows key. I will copy the hex value of the Windows key and search for it here also in UEFI tool. Here is 3 results. I will just extract this one, this volume, extract as is, DMI plus Windows key. Now open this volume on hex editor, search for the first lines in the old file to locate the beginning. Here should be the beginning of this volume. I will go to the same offset in the new file and copy all of this here, paste right, then press save. Now if I search for the Windows key, I will find it in the new file, also the serial number. Yes, now is the time to clean ME region. If I analyze my new file with ME analyzer, as you can see, the file system state is initialized, means the file is used. It has to be configured. The SQ is consumer, low power, and this is the ME version. I will use this ME file, this stock ME file, to clean my original file. It is the same version, SQ and chipset. Also it is configured. Now I have to open Flash Image tool, version 16.1. Here is the version. Drag the new file here. Image decompressed successfully. Press save or save config. Copy this new ME. Go to this path and replace it with ME subpartition. Delete the old one. Open the file, the saved file, here. Config loaded successfully. Press build. Build successful. We have image. If we analyze this file, as you can see, file system state is configured. In our original file, it was initialized. Now we are done. You can use this file and it will fix any issue of your laptop. I hope you learned something good from this video. We'll see you soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.